Hello children. Today I want to explain one of the important chapter in 10th class, that is coordinate geometry. I think it is the 7th chapter in your NCERT textbook. So in this coordinate geometry, if you observe, this chapter is designed mainly on 5 formulas beta. The first formula is the distance formula, and the second formula is the section formula, and third one is the midpoint, and the fourth one is area of triangle, and the last one is the centroid of the triangle. So on the basis of these 5 formulas your chapter was designed. So today in this class we will learn some questions on distance formula beta. You know that in a Cartesian plane, for example, if I take a Cartesian plane, this is called as a Cartesian plane. In Cartesian plane you can say this is x-axis, x dash, and this is a y-axis, this is y dash. So if I take any 2 points on this Cartesian plane, for example you say this point is A and you say this point is B. So the coordinates of A is x1, y1, the coordinates of B is x2, y2, and I already explained you how to find the distance between AB. So by using the Pythagoras theorem on the coordinate plane, so I already explained the distance between AB, that is nothing but AB is equal, the formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between AB, and we can say that the length of AB also. So this you want to write units, the distance is in units in the Cartesian plane. So AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. On the basis of this formula in 10th class there are different type of questions you will see in your annual exam beta. So for example, here I am taking one important question, that is the first question is direct question. Sometimes he will ask you some direct questions also beta. So what is the direct question means, what is the distance between A c comma 0 and B 0 comma minus c. So while you are finding the distance, first you want to identify the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2. For example, you take this is x1, y1 and you take x2, y2. Therefore AB is equal to, you know that the formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So for example, you can find this by substituting the values of x2. x2 is 0. So in formula minus is there, be careful, and x1 is c whole square plus y2 is minus c minus of 0 whole square beta. So that is equal to here minus c whole square plus minus c whole square. You can get this is c square plus c square, that is under root of 2c square. So this is root 2c, because c square root value is c, so you write the units. So the distance between AB according to the given question is root 2c units beta. So this is the simple question and direct question. You will get these type of questions in 1 mark beta. So what is the distance between A and B? So direct you want to use this formula and you can write the answer. That answer should be in units. I think you understood well. And second type, the second pattern question I want to explain you. What is the second type of question? Just you see beta. Find the distance between see Nana, my points are A cos 35 degrees comma 0 and 0 comma A cos 55 degrees. So this is a question with connecting. This question is connected to your trigonometry question beta. So you see Nana, this is under 2 marks. Sometimes you will get under 2 marks. So here also you say this point is A and this point is B beta. So this is x1 y1, and you say this is x2 y2. Now AB is equal to, what is my formula beta? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Now you substitute the values beta. x2 is 0, 0 minus of a cos 35 degrees whole square plus y2 is a cos 55 degrees minus 0, so whole square. Now if you see under root of, you will get minus a cos 35 degrees whole square. Directly I can write a square cos square 35 degrees, is it right, plus this is a square cos square 55 degrees. So if I make a square as common, you will get as cos square 35 degrees plus cos square 55 degrees, is it right? So what is the root of a beta? A square is a. So here you want to use your trigonometry knowledge beta. This I can write, this cos theta is equal to what, Nana? You know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, is it right? So this is complementary angles, we learned it. So cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So cos 35 I can write sin 90 minus how much beta? If you want to 55 degrees, plus you write it is as it is beta cos square 55 degrees. Now you see, Nana, a under root of sin 90 minus theta. This is sin square is there, I am sorry, sin square 90 minus 55. So sin square, this is sin 90 minus, sorry, this cos square 35 means, I am sorry, cos square 35 I can write cos square 90 minus 55 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin square 55 degrees plus cos square 55 degrees. Now you see, Nana, under root of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So a into 1, that is equal to a units is the answer. So here once again I am explaining, cos 35 I wrote it as cos square 35 I wrote it as cos square 90 minus 55. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this is as it is cos square 45 degrees. So you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. A into 1 is equal to a units is the answer. So this is one of the important pattern question beta. So be careful. Sometimes you will get the connection. Connection means one chapter is connected to other chapter. So you want to use the both applications in those chapters. So shall I go with the third question beta? My third question, if you observe carefully, very interesting. Show that the third question, show that 1 comma minus 1 is the center of the circle circumscribing the triangle whose angular, or means you can write vertices, angular points are 4 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 3 and 6 comma minus 1. You see, Nana, you read that question properly, Nana. Here what is given, Nana? Show that 1 comma minus 1 is the circumscribed, means this is a center of the circumscribed triangle, means you see, Nana, this is the triangle. For example, this is A, B, C, this is a triangle. So this is the center of the circumscribed circle, means this, for example, you say this point is O beta. This should be equal distance from these all three angular points, I mean all three vertices. So A is given 4 comma 3 and B is given as minus 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 and C is given as 6 comma minus 1. Now if it is the center of that circumscribed circle means the distance between A to O should be equals to B to O should be equals to C to O beta. So it should be first you find AO beta, next you find the BO, and next should you find the CO nana. Then you will get equal answers. Then you can say this is the center of the circle which is the circumscribing the circle. Is it right? Now you see nana AO. If you apply the formula x2 minus x1, so O point is given as 1 comma minus 1. Now you see nana 4 comma minus 1 is 3 square plus 3 minus of minus 1 means 4 square. So this answer will be 3 square is 9, 9 plus 16 you will get 25 beta. So the answer is 5. For example, if I go for BO, BO is equal to what nana? Minus 2 comma minus 1. So under root of minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus of minus, this is 4 square again you will get. So you will get 9 plus 16, again you are getting root 25, that should be equals to 5. Next if I go for the CO, CO is equal to again the formula x2 minus x1. 6 minus 1 means 5 square. Next minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 is it will be 0 beta, 0 square. So again you are getting 25 beta, that is 5. Now AO is equal to BO is equal to CO. Therefore we can write yes, O is the center of the circle which is the circumscribing the triangle. So by applying the distance formula, so this type of pattern questions also you will get in your exam. Is it right? I think my screen is somewhat disturbed. Shall I make it proper? Okay, now it is proper. So this is the third pattern question beta. Next just you go for the fourth pattern question. The fourth pattern question is, if the distance of P x1 x comma y from the points A 3 comma 6, B minus 3 comma 4 are equal, prove that 3x plus y is equal to 5. So you see nana, this is one type of pattern question beta. The distance from P, for example here P is there, that is xy, and here A is there, that is 3 comma 6, and here B is there, another one point you say as B, that is it is 3 comma minus 3 comma 4. What is given beta? For example PA should be equals to PB is given. So given is what nana? The distance from P to A is equals to the distance from P to B, means PA should be equals to what beta? PB. So now you want to form a relation between x and y, that is 3x plus y is equal to 5. So by using that statement we can find that PA is equal to PB. You can form a relation between x and y. So if PA, what is the distance between PA means under root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Is it right? According to the distance formula. Next x minus of minus 3 under root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Just I applied the distance formula beta. Both sides you can cancel the root, because if you are squaring on both sides the root will be cancelled. So this is what nana? A minus b whole square. This is x square plus 3 square is 9 minus 2ab means 6x you will get. The same way a minus b whole square, y square plus 36 minus 12y beta. If you open with a minus b whole square is equal to, again you open with a plus b whole square, this will be x square plus 9 plus 6x. Again this is a minus b whole square, y square plus 16. What is that value beta? Y square plus 16 minus 8y. I think you understood. Just I used a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square while opening these values beta. Here x square cancel and y square cancel. If you see Nana, what I got here, minus 6x minus 12y. You see, if you add these two values, you will get as what Nana? Plus 45 is equal to here 6x minus 8y. If you add these two, you will get plus 25. See Nana, minus 6x, you bring 6x to this side, minus 6x, minus 12y, you bring minus plus 8y is equal to 25 minus 45. Is it right? Now you see Nana, minus 12x minus what is this 4y is equal to minus 20. Now if I make minus 4 as common, minus 4 as common, you will get 3x plus y is equal to minus 20. So if you observe this, so 3x plus y is equal to what Nana? Minus 20 by minus 4. So this is 3x plus y is equal to what Nana? 5. So I got the same answer. I got the same relation between x and y, that is 3x plus y is equal to 5. So this is one of the pattern question beta. Be careful while solving these type of questions. Understood? So if the distance is equal, you want to make PA is equal to PB, and you are applying the distance formula, and you are opening these values by a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, and if you will cancel the equal values from LHS and RHS, you will get an equation that is 3x plus y is equal to 5. Sometimes direct question also you will ask you, Nana, if the distance from the P2 from A and B are equal, then form a relation between x and y, means you want to write an equation in terms of x and y beta. So that is also same question, and sometimes he will ask you directly prove that some equation. He will give you some equation. In this question is given that 3x plus y is equal to 5. So same method and same pattern. So like this you can solve this question. So it is one of the important chapter beta, and there are 5 formulas. You should know how to apply these formulas and how to use those formulas in different cases. Okay Nana. So this is another type of pattern question beta. If you'll see this question, find the point on y-axis which is equal distance from the points 5 comma minus 2 and 3 minus 3 comma 2 beta. So be careful Nana, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. The point which is on y-axis, you know that the x value will be 0 Nana. You want to take it as 0 comma y. The point which is on y-axis, that should be 0 comma y. So that is important thing. The same thing Nana, now from this point it is equal distance. For example, you take this is y comma minus 2. Actually I am drawing the rough figure beta. 5 comma minus 2 will not be in the first quarter, and you see Nana, this is another point minus 3 comma 2. So they both are equal distance beta. You say this is P, and you say this point is A, and you say this point is B. So according to the given question, first you want to mention here, let the point on y-axis is, you want to write 0 comma y beta. From my figure you say that PA is equals to, is given that PB. The same, now you write 0 comma, same you apply the distance formula under root of PA means 0 comma minus 5 whole square plus y comma minus 2 means y plus 2 beta. In formula 1 minus is there, minus plus whole square is equal to, again 0 minus of minus 3 means 0 plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So again these two will be cancelled. This is 25 plus, you open with a plus b whole square beta, y square plus 4 plus 4y is equal to, this is what Nana, 0 plus 3 means 9 plus y square plus 4 minus 2y, sorry, minus 4y beta, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you see Nana, y square cancel, and this 4 also cancel. What are the left here? 4y plus 25 is there, is equal to minus 4y plus 9 is there beta. If you bring 4y to this side, 4y plus 4y is equal to 9 minus 25. So this is 8y is equal to minus 16. Is it right? So y is equal to, you will get minus 2 beta. Therefore, the point on y axis is, y value I got minus 2. The point is, we said that 0 comma y beta, the point is 0 comma minus 2. So according to the given question, 0 comma minus 2 is equal distance from 5 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 2. So this is also one type of pattern question beta. So it is very, very important. Shall I go with the next pattern question beta? Sometimes in your coordinate geometry, he will ask you direct questions also, he will ask you beta. The question is, use distance formula to show that the points A minus 2 comma 3, B 1 comma 2, C 7 comma 0 are collinear. So now you see, Nana, these 3 points are collinear means, for example, the collinear means you know that the 3 points are on the same line. For example, if I take one line, you say this is A and this is, you say as B, and this point you say as C beta. A is what, Nana? Minus 2 comma 3, and B is what, Nana? 1 comma 2, and C is what, Nana? 7 comma 0. So if they are collinear, what condition they have to accept beta? If they are on the same line, you want to show that AB plus BC should be equals to, the AB means the distance between these two, BC means the distance between these two should be equals to the distance between AC, Nana. If it is accepted this condition, because here we are using the distance formula, he said that you need to use the distance formula beta. So if you prove that AB plus BC is equal to AC, means according to the given question, these 3 points accepted these AB plus BC is equal to AC, then we can write that A comma B comma C are collinear. First you find AB beta. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1, you will get minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 2, that is 1 square, you will get beta. So this is under root of 9 plus 1, you will get root 10. Now you find the BC beta. Next you find the BC. BC, what you will get, Nana? Once you check it, under root of 1 minus 7 means 6 square plus 2 minus 0 means 2 square. That is equal to under root of 36 plus 4, that is equal to under root of 40. 40 we can write 4 into 10 means 2 root 10 you will get. Next you find AC, Nana. AC is equal to A and C, minus 2 minus 7, that is minus 9 whole square plus 3 minus 0 means 3 square. So that is equal to under root of 81 plus 9. So you will get root 90 beta. This root 90 I can write 9 into 10. This is 3 root 10, Nana. Now you find the AB plus BC, Nana. AB plus BC is equal to what beta? Root 10 plus 2 root 10. That is equals to 3 root 10. So this 3 root 10 is equals to AC, because AC is equal to 3 root 10. Therefore we can write A comma B comma C are, what are that, Nana? Collinear. Means they are on the same line. So this is also one type of pattern question beta. Be careful. So on the basis of this distance formula, we are using only distance formula to prove that given 3 points are collinear. Next, another one type of pattern question are there beta. So this is also very, very important. The question is, show that the points A comma A, B, minus A comma minus A, C is minus a root 3 comma a root 3 form an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So this is one type of question, Nana. Sometimes he will ask you form an equilateral triangle, sometimes form an isosceles, form a right angle triangle. So whatever it may be, the pattern is same beta. But this, it is an equilateral triangle is asking beta. Just you draw a rough figure. This is ABC triangle beta. So A is given as A comma A, and B is given as minus A comma minus A, and C is given as minus A root 3 comma A root 3 beta. So if it is an equilateral triangle, what I want to prove, Nana, all sides should be equal. Means AB should be equals to BC should be equals to AC. First you find AB beta by using the distance formula. A minus of minus A means 2A whole square, and A minus of minus A again 2A whole square beta. So you will get this is 4A square plus 4A square, Nana. So this is under root of 8A square. So you can write 2 root 2A. This is 2 root 2A beta. So by using 8 I can write 2 root 2 because 4 2s are 4, the root value is 2 root 2A units. This is AB beta. Next you can find BC also, Nana. If you will find the BC, same A minus of minus A root 3 means if you will do like that, you will get same beta. The answer is A minus A of minus of means plus A root 3 whole square plus minus A minus A root 3 whole square beta. If you do this, you will get the answer like this beta. If you open it A plus B whole square and this is A minus B whole square, then you will get here again 8A square beta. Because I don't want to explain, you can do this. This is again 2 root 2A beta. In the same way, if you will find the AC value, again you will get that is also 8A square beta. Again you will get 2 root 2A beta. So these three are equal. All are units. So this is also units. So all sides are equal. Directly we can write that this ABC is an equilateral triangle. So for example, if one question is given, prove that it is in a right angle triangle, means you find the three sides, and if it is a right angle triangle, it wants to accept the Pythagoras theorem beta. So the hypotenuse square should be, here I am drawing the right angle triangle beta. You say this is A and this is B and this is C. So C is the hypotenuse. Just you find the three sides by using the distance formula beta. Just you prove C square should be equals to what, Nana? A square plus B square. By that we can say that the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Sometimes the same questions he will give you find the given figure is a rectangle. Find the given figure is a for example, this is rectangle. Sometimes he will ask you the square, sometimes he will ask you the parallelogram. So these type of questions he will give you better. So in this case they will give you 4 vertices, I mean A, B, C, D. So if you want to prove that it is a rectangle, means just you want to keep in your mind beta, first you find the lengths of all 4 sides. So what should be accept, Nana? The opposite sides. I mean AB should be equals to what, Nana? DC, and AD should be equals to what beta? BC. This is the first condition. First you want to prove that the opposite sides are equal, and next thing what you want to prove, Nana? The diagonals also equal beta. So you want to prove that AC should be equals to DB. So if you prove these 3 conditions, you can write this is a rectangle. But in the case of parallelogram, if you want to prove that it is a case of parallelogram, same ABCD is a parallelogram, you want to prove ABCD is a parallelogram, means just you prove that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC beta, means opposite sides are equal. Sides are equal. So if you prove this, it is enough to write this is a parallelogram beta. But in the case of rectangle, you want to prove that opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. For example, in the case of square, you know that, for example, it is a square ABCD, What you want to prove, Nana? You want to prove that all sides are equal. AB should be equals to BC should be equals to DC should be equals to AD beta. Means all four sides are equal. By the by, you want to prove that the diagonals also equal meta. I mean AC should be equals to DB. So if you prove these two conditions, directly you can say that ABCD is a square. So all we are proving by using only distance formula beta. These all questions will come under distance formula only. Sometimes he will ask you prove that it is a rhombus. Prove that it is a rhombus. So for rhombus purpose, you don't want to find the diagonals beta. So just you prove the all sides are equal. Means just you prove that AB should be equals to BC should be equals to DC should be equals to AD. So I mean the all four sides are equal. Directly you can write it is a rhombus. So on this concept, whether he can ask you whether you want to prove the rectangle or parallelogram or square or a rhombus. So you want to keep these properties, Nana. So whether you want to prove that rectangle means you want to prove these two conditions, and if you want to prove that it is a parallelogram means this condition is enough. If you want to prove it is a square means you want to prove all sides are equal and diagonals are equal, and if you want to prove a rhombus means just you prove that all sides are equal. So by keeping these things and applying the distance formula, you can get all these type of questions in your annual exams. Is it right, beta? So these are the some of important questions on distance formula. Okay.